In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a formula in Airtable. Whether you're a beginner or have been using Airtable for a while, understanding how to work with formulas can significantly enhance your database experience, giving you the power to manipulate and display data in new ways. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Airtable base. Once you're inside your base, navigate to the specific table where you want to add a formula. Now direct your attention to the columns displayed in your table. We need to add a new field here, which will eventually house our formula. There are a couple of ways you can do this. Look for the small plus sign button that you'll find next to the existing column headers. Go ahead and click that button to create a new field. Alternatively, if you prefer using the right-click menu, you can also right-click directly on an existing column header. When doing this, you'll see an option to insert a new column either to the left or right of the one you selected. Choose the option that best fits your needs. With your new field created, the next step is to give it a proper name. A clear and descriptive field name is essential as it helps keep your database organized and makes it easier for anyone else who might be working with you to understand the purpose of this column. For the sake of this example, let's name our new field full name. Now the fun part begins, configuring this new field as a formula field. When you click on your newly created field, a configuration menu will pop up. This is where you will set the field type. You'll see a list of various options, and your task is to find and select the one labeled Formula. By setting this field type to Formula, you're telling Airtable that this column is dedicated to performing calculations or manipulating other data within your table. Finally comes the step where you bring your column to life by entering the actual formula that you want to use. With the field type set as a formula, you'll notice a text box where you can start typing. The formula you enter here will depend on what you're trying to achieve. Perhaps you're calculating the total price of an order, combining first and last names, or computing averages. Once entered, Airtable will automatically apply this formula to all the records in your table. If this is your first time doing this, spend a bit of time familiarizing yourself with Airtable's formula functions. They are quite robust and can achieve a plethora of outcomes. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a formula in Airtable. By following these simple steps, you can now extend the functionality of your databases, making data manipulation more automated and insightful. Keep experimenting with different formulas, and you'll soon realize the full potential of what you can achieve with Airtable. Thanks for watching, and happy databasing!